So guys, if you saw in my last post, we were talking about the BPO that was under fire in Cebu. So ito naman, iba naman usapan natin, from BPO to BNO, as in Boys Night Out. Alam nyo ba that they aired their last show September 30 dahil due to censorship. And so, end of an era. Dati nakikinig ako pag pumapasok ko sa BPO, sa call center, every night. Siguro mga 20 years na. Nakikinig ako kay Tony Tone, sa Slick Rick, sa MyG. And apparently si Tin Gamboa, DJ Tin, or dating Suzy, nag-resign after 17 years. Boys Night Out has been on air for 19 years. So parang DJ Tin said that they were being taken out due to censorship kasi one-sided dapat ang usapan nila. So apparently nag-comment to si Tin na hindi dapat ganon. So nag-assign siya at pati Boys Night Out wala na rin. So sayang, end of an era talaga. So wala na rin na Boys Night Out, sayang. So okay, everyone stay safe and good luck to radio. Thank you.